What do you think I look like from just the sound of my voice?
Shut up. Oh my god, you sound like Willy Wonka.
You're very good. Yeah.
I'm not a Steve. A white boy.
Yeah, I mean, that's right.
Big lips for some reason.
Yeah, baby.
Short.
Anything else?
No.
Wrong.
You look like a guy, and you don't look stupid, and you look like you hump girls.
Willy Wonka TikTok, but that's not him.
Oh my god!
Blue eyes, actually.
Wrong, but you did pretty good. Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, I love the drip.
Thank you very much.
Kind of tall.
You're really, really skinny.
Skinny, yeah.
I am pretty snatched, my good children.
Oh